Okay, so here is our third CVC story that I've sent you guys. You've done a fabulous job the past 2 weeks. We're going to try a new one. Let's look at the picture first. You see the animal in the middle. I've written on his body what kind of animal he is. Do you see the letters F-O-X? That stands for fox. Fox. So this is a fox. And do you see the part of the body of the fox that I colored? What part is that? That's his tail. That's right. So that's the fox's tail. All right. So the fox's name is Ned. I'm going to tell you that before you start reading so you will have an idea of what some of the words might look like. So let's go down and begin our story. Right here is our capital N and our green dot. And we'll say Ned. 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 Oh, that's the name I just told you. Ned is a fox. Fox. Ned is a fox. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. He can run fast. So let's read that again. He can run fast. Let's go down to the next one. Ned likes to wag his big what was that thing up there that's colored? Tail. So I'm going to read that sentence again. Ned likes to wag his big tail. All right, so we read the story. Let's go over and look at our questions. Here's that word Ned again. Ned is a, what was he again? I'm going to let you answer that one and choose the correct answer. And let's look at the second one. It says he can run something. How can he run? They told us in the story how he can run. See if you can find the answer to those two and then send it to me. And go ahead and record yourself practicing reading. You've been doing great. I can't wait to hear them.